Hi there, today we are looking at Google Calendar and specifically creating an event. So, like most things in Google, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. The first way we're going to look at is going up to the Create button in the top left hand corner and create an event. There is also the chance to create a task out of office, focus time, working location, and appointment schedule. And we're going to come back and look at some of those in a upcoming video. But first of all, we're going to click Event. This will bring up our event menu. The first thing I'm going to do is give this a title. The next thing I can do is give it a time. So here I'm going to set this between 10:30 and 12:30. We can also decide if we want our event to repeat. We can choose to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or really fine tune that with custom. In this case, I'm not going to repeat at all. The other thing to note at this point is that we are going to, by default, add this to our personal calendar. So this is the calendar only we can see unless we share it with someone else. If I click personal calendar here, you will see I get a drop down of any calendar that I have access to. So for example, I could select this to go into the whole school calendar. But in this case, I'm just going to select it to my personal calendar. From here, all we now need to do is click save. And our event is in the diary. Another way that we can add an event in is we could say we were scrolling through our calendar and I wanted to put something in on Wednesday the 8th. Instead of having to go to a number of different locations, I can come here, I can click exactly where I want this to happen. So if I want this to happen on 1 p.m. on Wednesday 8th, I can just click on the calendar and it will automatically fill those details out for me. I will then just give it a name and decide what calendar I want it to appear in. In this case, I'm going to put that one in the whole school calendar and click save. So that's two ways that we can add events into our calendar. In the next video, we're going to be looking at how we can add guests to new events and edit events to add guests into them.